Hi there, this is Huskins with the uh, preview for the 21st of Jan 2011. It's about 2:40 a.m., so I'm a bit late in getting out the preview for today. In any case, we haven't had any trades so far, and hopefully I'll be able to get this out to you before we place any trades. Uh, Yesterday was a significant day. Let us see what happened. We had the indexes and the commodities, all of them down, including gold, oil, FTSE, Dow, DAX. All of them were pointing downwards. One thing you need to bear in mind that at one point uh, the Dow was 78 points low, or 79 points low, and it closed close to you know close to zero low. So basically it closed to being flat for the day. So it did retrace most of its losses. That's something you need to bear in mind, while as the FTSE did not. So in the initial part of let's say up till 11 o'clock, I'd say that the markets were weak, and then the market did try to stabilize. And one more thing you need to have a look at is that the oil and gold close next to its lows. So um, there could be some commodity weakness going on, at least short term. We'll have to look at the charts to see whether it's broken some major support levels, or these are just noises, and in a longer uptrend, and to see whether we are what kind of trade strategy we should use. The yen and the US dollar component were mostly up for the day. So at least the US dollar component was up. The that meant that the Aussie USD was down, New Zealand USD was down, USD Canada was up, the Euro USD was up, GBP USD was up, the USD CHF the USD CHF was up, the Euro USD was down, and the GBP USD was down for the day. The yen components were mixed, so I'm going to leave aside the yen components because yen's not being a good funding currency, and it's not the correlation with the indexes and the commodities is not significant right now with the yen. So let us just concentrate on the US dollar. We have the commodity currencies, all of them with the US dollar significantly up, and so is the European currencies. Now let's look at the charts. Let's look at the daily chart, and let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD, this is today's candle, so let's ignore today's candle. We had an inside day. It was a doji inside day, indecision candle. USD CHF, yes, we had engulfing bullish candle, but broke no significant highs. So yet I'd say we have indecision going on in the market even right now. The Australian US dollar, we had a bearish day but did not break any significant lows. It did not even penetrate through significant lows, forget break them. So yet it is undecided which way it wants to go. The exact same case on the New Zealand dollar. Did not break any significant lows, and the New Zealand dollar at least flirted with them but closed above the lows. Let's look at the USD CAD. USD CAD flirted with the with these resistance levels and closed close to made a hanging man out here. So basically, the market is still undecided. And what tool would we use when the market is still undecided? We continue to use our pullback approach, and that's what I think is the way forward. So we continue to use our pullback approach in the sense that we'll wait for the 2 a.m. price, and we'll draw 0.25% above and 0.25% below. We'd wait for the market to close above or below those lines in all the US dollar backed currencies. So we'll be looking at the Euro USD, the GBP USD, the USD CHF, the Aussie USD, the New Zealand USD, and the USD CAD. So these are the currencies which we'll be trading, and we'll be trading against the initial reaction, again because the market doesn't know where it's going, and because when the market doesn't know where it's going, it's going to make go up, come down. That's the kind of trade which I expect to happen, and that's what we look to profit from. So thank you guys for joining me. Talk to you in a bit. Bye for now.